relieve neck, palms, forearms, and more. Discover the versatility of the narrow and wider cradles, expertly designed to target the tender spots at the base of the neck. Experience gentle traction as the ramps facilitate a soothing rocking motion, encouraging deep, healing breaths. The tool offers a multitude of repositioning options, allowing for personalized relief. The swan beak is perfect for locating tender points in the palm, while the swan head provides a wonderfully smooth surface. Let the cradles glide along the forearm to alleviate tension and promote recovery. The black swan can be effortlessly used on the floor, on a table, or held in hand. Unlike traditional neck pillows like this one that restricts movement and hinders access to all those sensitive areas, the black swan offers unparalleled flexibility. It provides infinite positions for optimal release, all within a compact design that's travel-friendly and built to last. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a lifetime warranty and proudly made in the USA quality. Take advantage of the 30-day satisfaction guarantee and discover the life-changing power of this exceptional neck relief and multi-use tool, the Black Swan, a true companion for comfort and rejuvenation.